Teaching your dog to swim. Can all dogs swim? While a lot of dogs have the ability to paddle in water, not all dogs can swim proficiently. There are, of course, dogs that take to the water like ducks and enjoy splashing around, but there are also those who feel scared and do not know how to stay afloat. But don't worry, all dogs can learn to swim. In this article, we will explore how to teach your dog how to swim. It's a simple process that may take some time, but if you do it properly, you will have your dog paddling about in the water and eager to play in no time. At what age should I teach a puppy to swim? If you take a lot of hikes around lakes or spend time at the beach, you may want to start teaching your puppy to swim early. It is best to check with your vet on what age they recommend teaching your pup. This may depend on the breed and your dog's personality, so it is best to get expert advice. Don't worry if you have to wait a while before teaching your dog to swim. Use the time to make them comfortable with water. Fill your bathtub until it is a few inches deep with water and place your dog's favorite toys in there. Let them splash around and play. They will soon learn that there is nothing to fear.